Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from Buco George in the Western Cape.
16 years ago when I started at the company, it was penny pinchers. The name changed to Buco about 8 years ago, and ever since we've been growing the Plascon range, because here at Buco we don't only sell products to the customer, we sell service and expert advice.
What makes me proud about my store is my clients are very loyal, understandable, easy to work with, and I'm always happy to help them out. What makes Buco the best store here in George is because my clients can have great service for a low price. Most stores in general don't have that balance. What makes Buco George the best store to buy Plascon products is because we work with the best representatives that you can find, also the best support team in Plascon.
We give the customers the best advice that we can so that they can come back, and also so that the name Buco and Plascon can go out there.
The Plascon brand is a real washable paint, reliable and durable. And in all the premium Plascon range is the best paints. My favorite Plascon product will be your double velvet because it's fully washable, not a high sheen but a medium sheen.
My DIY tip, what I'm going to use for today is Velvet Glow. When you buy a tin of Velvet Glow, please don't shake it, because once you shake it, it's no longer non-drip. Then you have to leave it for a couple of hours. But a quick tip is if you can put it in the fridge for at least 15 to 20 minutes, it will get that gel form again.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon. Together, we've got this.